Let's build a real SCADA dashboard for a small water treatment plant, from a blank screen, live on camera. Tanks, flow, pH, a pump, all bound to a real Modbus device and updating in real time. No templates. We'll drag every element on ourselves. Start with the tanks. Drag a tank widget onto the canvas and bind it to the raw water level tag. Drag a second one for the treated water tank. Each is now wired to a live register on the plant controller, holding the real tank level. Now the instruments. Drop a gauge and bind it to flow rate. 0 to 1000 GPM. Drop another for pH. 0 to 14. These are the values an operator watches to know the plant is treating water correctly. Add a pump symbol bound to the feed pump status, so its state shows at a glance. Then 2 numeric readouts, turbidity in NTU and water temperature. In under a minute, we've placed every element of a working plant screen. Now the moment that matters. Switch to run mode. Watch, the tanks fill and drain. The flow gauge needle swings. pH and turbidity track the process. The pump shows running. Every number here is live Modbus data from the controller, updating every second. That's a SCADA dashboard built from scratch. You just built a live water treatment dashboard in a few minutes. No coding. 30-day free trial at modbussimulator.com/SCADA. Build your own plant screen against your real devices. Link in the description.